Jesus! Jesus!
Nneka TV. Nneka TV.
Nneka TV. Nneka TV. Nneka TV. Nneka TV. Nneka TV. Nneka TV. Nneka TV. Nneka TV. Nneka TV. Nneka TV. Nneka TV. Nneka TV. Nneka TV.
Don't worry about money as long as you keep to your rules. Money is not the problem. I've told you, you're my sugar boy. It's my duty to take care of you. Money is not the problem. How? I like this.
No problem. If you want us to collect a room, yeah, you can.
Or do you want us to sit?
I wish I could even have a sugar mommy and just quit this job I'm doing.
Nneka TV. Nneka TV.
I'll get her number today. Try my best. Get her number. I'm tired of this job. I've been working here for 2 years.
Nneka TV. 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 Nneka TV.
Jesus! Jesus!
God have mercy upon us.
Let's go to the room now. I already booked the room.
Oh, okay. I thought we took something forward.
No, let's go to the room. Just go to the room. It's not like it. Some. What is this?